is the last Lombax, searching for clues to his past.
Hello, Ratchet. I have been expecting you.
He is the last Cragmite, seeking to dominate the universe.
Behold! Emperor Percival Tachyon!
Your name's Percival?
Both will stop at nothing to uncover the Lombax secret. Destinies will collide. A mystery will be revealed.
It's Riken 5. That must be where the secret is hidden.
And a new adventure begins.
Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame and put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, it just won't last. You love the way I look at you while taking pleasure in the awful things you put me through. You take away if I give in. My life, my pride is broken. You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. You want someone to hurt like you. You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you do. You love the things I say I'll do. The way I hurt myself again just to get back at you. You take away when I give in. My life, my pride is broken. You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. You want someone to hurt like you. You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you do.
Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame. Put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last. Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame. Put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last.
You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. You want someone to hurt like you. You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you do. You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. You want someone to hurt like you. You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you do.
May you die a glorious hero's death.
What?
He's the last of his kind,
Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again.
and the mystery of his past.
Our cells functioning at 8% capacity.
No, wait. Where did the Lombaxes go? Why did they leave me behind?
Is the only hope for the future.
Yeah, here to help destroy it.
This fall, the secret to saving the universe is revealed.
We found it! But what is it?
Well, sort of. Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction.
Did I call it a bad time?